Hello smart people, welcome back to this comments class. On today's video, I will take you to Python in plain English website where you find 145 data science projects which you can try with Python. Okay, so this website has already solved and explained all the projects with Python, which is free. Okay, so as a beginner in data science, sometimes it's hard for you to understand all the concepts without implementing them on a data set. By you working on a data science project and also case study will help you improve your data science skills. So I think this website will help you improve your data science skills because it has a lot of projects which you can look through and also solve your problems. Okay, so these are some of the projects. We have the end-to-end chatbot. We have the algorithmic trading. We have the A/B testing. Okay, we have the topic modeling, we have the survey analysis, we have the business forecasting. So we have a lot of courses here. We have a lot of topics here. A lot, 145. Okay, so let's try one. Let's check one out and let's see how it looks like. Okay, so let's go to the salary prediction. Okay, so when you go to the salary prediction page, you see it's solved with machine learning. So here gives a brief description of the project. Okay, so the data set. So we have the columns. So the data set contains two columns, only the job experience and also the salary. Okay, so as you can see, the salary prediction using Python. So this is the code. So if you have the data set, and you can download the data set from here. So if you have the data set, you put it in the folder and you copy this code and you paste it in your you can paste this code in your Python IDE, whether under Conda. Okay, so you copy the code here, so import pandex as pd, and when you run it you get this result. So it's printing out the first 5, that is the head. Okay, so this is the frame, that is the data frame, and this is the testing and training model, and this is the actual model for the prediction. Okay, and this is the summary. I think this website will be very helpful because it explains it into details. Okay, so let's try another one. Let's try the house rent prediction. I don't know if you are familiar or if you've started machine learning. I believe your first data you used was the Boston housing data set. I think a lot of it's like Python. When you are writing your first program, you write hello world. So in machine learning, most of us started with the Boston housing data set. Okay, so we have the house rent prediction. So it gives us a brief description of it and also the column. So this has 7 columns. So you can see the coding will be a bit longer because you'll be testing all the columns to see which one will fit for the model. Okay, so we have the imports where you can copy the code. So you need to have your data set in a folder or on your desktop where you call it. So if it's in a folder, you put the directory here or the location. Okay, so this also printing the first 5 of the data set. Okay, so this query is also, or this syntax is describing the data, which gives it the counts, the mean, the standard deviation, the minimum, the maximum, the percentiles. Okay, so this bar chart for the various city in the data set. Wow. Okay, so for the beginners who wants to know the roadmap to data science and how to go about it, I kindly recommend this website to you, which briefly explain most of the projects or all the 145 projects. So you can go through. We have the movie rating analysis for beginners, insurance prediction, okay, so worldwide billionaires analysis and unemployment analysis. Okay, I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and also comment. See you on the next video. Peace.